In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign tasks in Ticktick. If you're looking to enhance your productivity and manage your team or personal projects efficiently, assigning tasks in Ticktick is a great way to keep everything organized. Let's dive into the process. First, you'll want to start by opening up Ticktick and navigating to the task you want to assign. This is done by simply clicking or tapping on the task in your task list. Once you do that, you'll see the task's detail view appear. This area provides an in-depth look at any task you are working on, including various options you can tweak to make sure everything is set up just the way you want it. Now, within this detail view, the next thing you're going to look for is the Assign icon. This icon often looks like a small silhouette of a person. It's typically found among the array of icons near the task details. By identifying this icon, you're one step closer to delegating the task effectively to your team member or collaborator. Once you've found the Assign icon, all you need to do is click it. This action will bring up a list of the names of your shared list members. These members are individuals with whom you're sharing your project list, and they are collaborative partners for this particular task or project. Selecting from this list is straightforward and intuitive. Just click on the name of the person to whom you want to delegate the task. After choosing the assignee, you'll notice that the task in question now has the profile picture or initial of the person you've assigned it to, displayed next to the task name. This visual indication is a handy feature. It not only reinforces the fact that the task has been assigned, but also keeps everyone informed about who is responsible for what, contributing significantly to transparency and accountability within the team. And that's it. You've just assigned a task in Ticktick. Simple, isn't it? This process is designed to help you keep track of who is responsible for each task, ensuring tasks are not just lost in a sea of to-dos, but are handled appropriately by the designated team members. Assigning tasks is a powerful tool that can help streamline your project management process and boost your overall productivity. Remember, the best way to effectively manage any project is to regularly communicate with your team. Keep checking in on your project's progress and adjusting tasks as necessary. This will ensure that everyone is on the same page and that deadlines are met on time. So go ahead and put this knowledge to use. And don't forget to explore other features Ticktick has to offer, as they may further benefit your organization's skills and productivity. Happy task managing!